On this video today, I'm going to show you the fastest way to make money on Digistore24 as a complete beginner with zero skills and no experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end because I'm going to show you a highly converting product that you can promote. I will also be showing you a high quality traffic source that you can use to promote the product for free without paying for anything. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come right here, marketplace, so that you can find products to promote. So just click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, these are digital products that you can promote to earn money on Digistore24. You can see a whole lot of different categories. So you can also come right here and then look at the products on the first page. You can see this product right here, keto meal plan. This product is ranking number 1 in terms of sales. So this is the trending product on this platform right here. You can see the commission rate is $26.44. So if you promote this product and then get a sale, this is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. You can scroll down and then select any product that you want in this particular platform. As you can see, this product right here, Tube Mastering and Monetization. This product, see the commission rate is very high, $223.81. As I scroll down, when you come here, you can see the cart conversion is very low. You can see it right here. It means you have to do a lot of work before you get a sale. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to look for a product that has a higher conversion so that when we promote it to even few people, we can get people to buy it for us to earn money. When you come to this product right here, you can see the commission rate is $24.34. You can see the popularity is very high. Let's go to the cart conversion. You can see the conversion is also very high, so you can equally promote this one right here. You can see the cancellation rate is 2.9%. so it means anytime people buy this particular product, they don't return it. So it's a good product that you can promote. As you can see, the conversion rate is really high. But I want to show you this product right here, how to promote it, because the commission rate is very high and it has a good popularity. As you can see, the commission rate is $104.69 per every sale that you get. You can see the popularity is very high. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see the cart conversion is also high, 21%. You can see the cancellation rate is also low, you can 5.5%. So this is one of the best products that you can also promote. This product is a male enhancement product. It helps to boost male sexual power. So what you have to do is that you have to find males so that they can purchase this particular product for you to earn money on Digistore24. To promote the product, you have to come right here and then get your affiliate link. So if you are new to the product, you are going to see something like promote. Just click on it and you are going to see your affiliate link right here. As you can see, this is mine. So if you are new to the product, what you have to do is that you have to just come right here, click on sales page so that you can get some basic information about the product. Once you click on the sales page, you are going to see a page like this. This is the exact page that your potential visitor is going to see before they decide to purchase the product. See, here's the product owner. So when you scroll down, you can find more details about the product. As you can see right here, they have different packages that your potential customer can choose to buy. You can see they can buy 1 bottle at $69 per bottle. They can also buy 6 bottles at $49 per bottle. If they want to buy 3 bottles, they are going to be paying $59 per bottle. As you can see right here, they have money back guarantee. This information can boost the confidence of your customer to buy the product. Once you get to know some basic information about the product, the next step is that we are going to build a landing page so that we can begin promoting this product. If you promote a direct link, most of the websites are going to ban your link. So what you have to do is that you have to build a landing page so that you can begin promoting the product. To build a landing page, you are going to search for site.google.com. This is a free website builder that you can use to build your landing pages. You can also use it to build your websites. As you can see right here, you can choose templates to build your landing page, or you can start from afresh. So we are going to start from scratch. So just click on the blank so that you can begin building your own landing page. Once you click on blank, you're going to see a page like this. So this is where you are going to start building your landing page. So we have to begin adding information to it so that it can look nice. So the first thing is that you are going to give your landing page a title. So just delete this text. Once you delete it, you are going to type a title. So in this case, I'm just going to type the male secret power. As you can see, that is my title. Let's drag and make it straight. That is it, the male secret power. The next thing is that we are going to give our website a name. So just come right here and then type any name that you want. So in this case, I'm going to type male power. You can choose any name that you want. So once you name your website, the next thing is that you are going to add an image to the background. To add an image, what you have to do is that just come right here, click on change image. Once you click on that, you are going to select select image, so just click on that. Once you click on select image, you are going to see a page like this, but we don't want any of these. We want to search for an image related to our landing page, so just come right here, click on search. Once you click on search, you are going to just type, let's say, male power. Once you type your text, just click on search so that you can find an image to use as your background image. So as you can see, there are a lot of different images that you can use as your background image. You can see a whole lot of them, so just choose any of them that you like. I'm going to just select this one right here, so just click on it. Once you click on it, click right here, select, so that it will be used as your background image. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to add some text here. So just come right here, click on text box so that you can paste some text here. As you can see, that has been done. So we are going to find text and then paste it here. So what you have to do is that you have to go back to the landing page and then copy and paste some text here. When you come back to the landing page, you are going to scroll down and then find some relevant text that you can paste there. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this one right here. Just click below to select your package. So I think this text is appropriate, so just copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to send it back to your website. Just paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So we are going to send it, so just come right here, click on more. Once you click on more, you are going to select any of these arrangements, so just click on this one right here. Once you click on it, you are going to select this one and you can see the text has been sent it. Once that is done, you are going to add another text right here. So what you have to do is that you have to just come right here, click on text box. Once you click on the text box, we are going to go back to the sales page of the product. So just come back, just highlight and copy everything. Once you copy it, you are going to bring it back to your landing page, paste it right here. Once you paste your text right here, you are going to add images of the product so that your potential visitor will know what to do. So what you have to do is that you have to come back to the landing page. Once you come back to the landing page, you have to take a screenshot of these images so that you can upload it onto your landing page. So you can search for this particular tool right here, Light Shot. So once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here so that you can download it onto your PC. This particular tool helps you to take screenshot of anything on your screen. So you can just download it and then use it to take a screenshot of the landing page. Once you download the tool, the next thing is that you are going to take a screenshot of this particular image. So make sure you crop all the relevant information. As you can see, that has been done. Once you crop the image, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on save so that you can save the image onto your PC. Once you save the image, the next thing is that you are going to upload it right here. So just come right here, click on images. Once you click on that, select upload so that you can upload the image. As you can see, this is the image. So what you have to do is that just drag it so that it will be large. Drag it and then make it open. As you can see, just drag it and make it open. Once the image is well positioned, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link right here so that anytime your visitor click on this particular image, they can be directed to the product through your affiliate links. To insert your affiliate link, just click right here to select the image. Once you select it, you are going to see this particular icon. So this is where you are going to insert your affiliate link. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to copy and paste your affiliate link right here. So just go back to Digistore24 so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come back to Digistore24, you are going to highlight and copy this particular link. That is your affiliate link. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Click on apply so that this particular image will be linked to your affiliate link. That has been done. The next step is that you are going to add another call to action right here. So just come right here, click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to type your call to action right here. As you can see, this is my simple call to action. So you can just highlight it and then make it bold. So you just click on it and it's going to be bold. You can increase the font size. So you just click right here and then select any of the font size that you want. So once that is done, you are going to insert your affiliate link into it. So just highlight it. Once you highlight it, click on this particular icon. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Just click on apply and you can see the text is now linked to your affiliate link. So anytime your visitor click on this particular call to action or this particular image, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link, and if they make a purchase, you are going to be paid. Once you have all the details in your landing page, the next step is that you are going to publish it so that you can begin promoting this particular landing page instead of the direct link. So just come right here, click on publish so that you can publish your landing page. Once you click on publish, you are going to give it a website address. So just type any address that you know. So we are going to type something like Male Power 2022. That is my website address and it's available. You can see it is available. Once it is available, you are going to come right here, click on publish so that your website can be published onto Google. As you can see, it has been successfully published. So just click right here, view, so that you can look at how your landing page looks like. As you can see, this is your landing page. So anytime you promote this particular link, your visitor is going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is just your simple landing page. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to drive traffic to this particular landing page so that we can get people to click through our links and then purchase the product. You can see we have a link, another link right here. So we have to get people to click through the links and then make a purchase of the product before we can earn money on Digistore24. The next step is that you are going to come on this website, birdpage.com. This website is a classified website that allows you to post ads to any part in the world. You can see right here, United States, you can see Canada, and then many other countries. As I scroll, you can see different countries. You can see a whole lot of different countries that you can post an ad to. You can see a whole lot of them. But the good thing is that this particular website, most of the traffic is coming from the United States. So it's one of the best traffic sources that you can use to promote your affiliate products. As you can see on SimilarWeb, the website gets up to 4.4 million visits every month. As you can see it right here. As I scroll down, you can see 90.21% of the people who visit the website are from the United States. You can see Canada is 1.26%. So we can say that almost all the traffic is coming from the United States, and that is a high quality traffic source because the people in the United States, they have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to earn money on Digistore24. One good thing about this website is that most of the people who visit this website, they are males. You can see right here, 84.37% of the people who visit the website are males. The product is male enhancement, so you are going to get the right people to buy the product. You can see the males are dominating on this particular website. So now what you have to do is that you have to just click on my account so that you can sign up for your free accounts. You are not required to pay anything, and you can open an account wherever you are in the world. Once you open an account, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, a whole lot of different countries and then cities. What you have to do is that just click right here, post ad. Once you click on post an ad, you can see you have three options. You can post a free ad, you can post local ad which you are required to pay, but in this case what we want to do is that we want to post our ad for free so that anytime you get sales, we can then use the money to pay for the premium ad. So just come right here, click on post free ad. Once you click on post free ad, we are going to select a country right here, but since we know that most of the traffic is coming from the United States, you have to click on the United States. Once you click on the United States, you are going to select any of these states that you are seeing. You can see a whole lot of them. So just select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm just going to select California. Once you select a state, you are going to select a city. You can just select any of these cities that you are seeing. In this case, I'm going to select Santa Barbara. So just click on it. Once you click on the city, you are going to select what your product is about. So you can see a whole lot of different categories that you can post your ad. So in this case, we are going to select services. Once you click on services, you are going to select health and beauty. So just click on that. Once you click on health and beauty, the next step is that you are going to give a title to your ad and then the description. So in this case, we are going to type the product name right here, and then we are going to write a small description about the product. When you come back on Digistore24, you can see this is the name of the product. So just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your ad and then paste it right here. But we are going to add some text. So just add your text right here. You can just type something like this: Eisenpower, the secret male power. You can either use this one or you can type a nice title that is better than this. Once that is done, you are going to write a small description about the product. As you can see right here, I just wrote what the product is about. You can see Eisenpower is a safe dietary supplement centered on sexual lifestyles, and then the rest. You can pause the video and then copy this particular description, or you can write your own description. So once you have your description, you are just going to highlight it and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to send it back to your ad. Once you come back to your ad, you are going to paste your description right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your description, the next step is that you are going to write a call to action right. So just type a call to action below this particular description. As you can see, copy and paste this link to get access now. So you are going to paste the link to your landing page right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back to your landing page. Once you come back, you just click on this particular icon. You can see copy publish site link. So just click on that. Once you click on that, you can see copy link. So just copy the link to your landing page. Once you copy the link to your landing page, you are going to search for Bit.ly. Once you search for it, you are going to paste your link right here. Once that is done, you are going to click on shorten so that you can shorten your link. Once you shorten your link, just click on copy. Once you copy your link, you're going to come back to your ad and then paste it right here. Once you paste your link, you can see this is how it is. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to enter the age. So in this case, I'm just going to enter 20. Once that is done, you can see the location is already there. Once you have your location, you can see if you want, you can add your email contact and your phone number. I'm just going to add the email contact. As you can see, I've entered my email contact. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see image. So you are going to click right here and then add images of the product. So what you have to do is that you have to just select your image. So in this case, I just want to select the screenshot. So just select it and then click on open. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. Once you have your image, you are going to come right here, check this particular box. By placing this ad, I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. So just check the box. Once you check it, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see this is the ad and it is live. You can see it right here. So if you want to view your ad, you can just click right here, view. If you want to delete it, you can click right here, delete, so that you can delete this particular ad. You can see one of my ad right here. So that is what you are going to be doing. You have to post free ads onto this platform so that you can get a lot of people to click through and then buy the product. You can see my ad is not a premium ad. That is why you are seeing this. You can see it is not sponsored. It is a free ad, but it is live. You can see it right here. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.